Questioner. Must I always go dull with tamas and desperate with rajas? What about sattva? Maharaj. Sattva is the radiance of your real nature. You can always find it beyond the mind and its many worlds. But if you want a world, you must accept the three gunas as inseparable: matter, energy, life. One is essence, distinct in appearance. They mix and flow in consciousness. In time and space, there is eternal flow, birth and death again, advance, retreat, another advance, again retreat, apparently without a beginning and without end. Reality being timeless, changeless, bodiless, mindless, awareness is bliss. Questioner. Understand that according to you, everything is a state of consciousness. The world is full of things. A grain of sand is a thing. A planet is a thing. How are they related to consciousness? Maharaj. Where consciousness does not reach, matter begins. A thing is a form of being which we have not understood. It doesn't change. It is always the same. It appears to be there on its own, something strange and alien. Of course, it is in the Chit, consciousness, but appears to be outside because of its apparent changelessness. The foundation of thing is in memory. Without memory, there would be no recognition, creation, reflection, rejection, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. This is the eternal process. All things are governed by it. Questioner. Is there no escape? Maharaj. I am doing nothing else but showing the escape. Understand that the one includes the three and that you are the one, and you shall be free of the world process. Questioner. What happens then to my consciousness? Maharaj. After the stage of creation comes the stage of examination and reflection, and finally the stage of abandonment and forgetting. The consciousness remains but in a latent, quiet state. Questioner. Does the state of identity remain? Maharaj. The state of identity is inherent in reality and never fades. But identity is neither the transient personality Vyakti nor the karma-bound individuality Vyakta. It is what remains when all self-identification is given up as false, pure consciousness, the sense of being all there is or could be. Consciousness is pure in the beginning and pure in the end. In between, it gets contaminated by imagination, which is at the root of creation. At all times, consciousness remains the same. To know it as it is realization and timeless peace. Questioner. Is the sense I am real or unreal? Maharaj. Both. It is unreal when we say I am this, I am that. It is real when we mean I am not this nor that. The knower comes and goes with the known and is transient, but that which knows that it doesn't know, which is free of memory and anticipation, is timeless. Questioner. Is I am itself the witness, or are they separate? Maharaj. Without one, the other cannot be, yet they are not one. It is like the flower and its color. Without flower, no colors. Without color, the flower remains unseen. Beyond is the light, which on contact with the flower creates the color. Realize that your true nature is that of pure light only, and both the perceived and the perceiver come and go together. That which makes both possible and yet is neither is your real being, which means not being a this or that, but pure awareness of being and not being. When awareness is turned on itself, the feeling is of not knowing. When it is turned outward, the knowables come into being. To say, I know myself is a contradiction in terms, for what is known cannot be myself.